belong. But one thing is that you don't even need effort to swallow it. The thing will just run before you put it. Look, it's like a magnet. You can't find it again. It's gone. It's gone. Quick action before I welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm bringing you guys to my kitchen to do a cook with me video with my family. My husband is right here, my beautiful pinky baby girl is here with me, and my boy is in school. So guys, today we're going to be making a cook with me video. Hope you guys do stick with us and watch us make one delicious, one of our favorite soup. Guys, this is our #1 soup in this house. I don't think there is any month that we come and go that we won't cook okra soup like 2 times in a month. So guys, we're going to be making delicious okra soup. Yeah, my hair is on fleek. So guys, stay with us as we cook this delicious okra soup, and let's do this together. And I'm loving my red lipstick. So guys, let me not bore you guys. Come on guys, let's continue. Do you want to say hello?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Hey.
Hello.
Misha, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Misha is here. Misha is going to be helping mommy to cook.
Yeah.
What is mommy cooking?
Mommy cooking
Okra soup.
soup.
Michelle's favorite soup. Michelle loves okra and pounded yam.
Yeah.
Michelle loves pounded yam.
Yeah. Yum.
Pounded yam. So mommy is going to be making okra soup and pounded yam, and I'm going to be making plantain fufu for myself as I'm trying to lose some weight and look more sexy.
Yeah.
So guys, let's continue. I'm going to take you around to see all the ingredients that I'm going to be using, but now we're just making the preparation, trying to clean up the beef, wash the okra, chop it, then we will start with the cooking process. So guys, do enjoy this video. So guys, I'm going to tell you how this soup is going to come out. When my husband is in the kitchen, be ready to get the best recipe. So if you want to get the best recipe of oilless okra soup, don't worry, just relax. Watch how we are going with my Michelle. She is the best chef. Watch how we are going to do this. So right here, I'm just grating the okra. I'm grating the okra while my husband is helping me to wash the cow leg, shaki, which is the tribe, and the fish. So it will go quickly as later I have appointment, so we have to be quickly in order to with Michelle with us. This kitchen is going to be busy, so we're trying to work out with the time. So guys, let me just show you a little bit of what he's doing. So that's what he's doing right there. Yeah, so I'm going to continue with my okra. I'm crushing on my makeup. Guys, every time I say I'm crushing on my makeup, it's just because I don't know how to make up. So anytime I manage to achieve something like this, I'm always crushing on myself. And you know I love red. Yeah, clean.
No.
Some edit. I love red lip gloss. Okay guys, let me not bore you guys. Let me continue with the okra, then I will take you guys along. I'm putting on green to match with my color of soup. Okay, so guys, I have all the ingredients prepped already, so I'm just going to take you through all what I'm going to be using to make this oilless okra soup. Yeah, so to make your okra soup, definitely you're going to be needing okra. I have my okra, I have some of them sliced and I have some of them grated. My husband loves the sliced ones, I love the grated one. So we have to I always try to make him okay, make myself okay. So he did slice some of them, you can see. Then I did grate the other parts to make it to mix it. I don't like it when the okra is too big, and he likes to see his okra when he's eating it. So we try to balance it. Balance it. You have to balance everything to make things work out, okay? So we have to balance it. That's my okra, and I'm going to be using 2 red bell pepper, and I'm using 3 scotch bonnet pepper. It's not hot. This thing is not hot at all. It's not spicy. So I'm using 3 because Michelle have mouth ulcer for now, so I don't want to make the soup spicy. If not for that, I should be using like 5 because this thing is just big for nothing. There is nothing in there. It's not hot at all. Maybe I'm going to make some hot spice separately, so when my husband wants to eat, he can just take a spoon or so to mix with it, because we love our food spicy. We are African. So in here I have some stockfish. I already soaked it till this morning. I soaked it yesterday. So I have some stockfish. I just use my hands to pieces it. I have some strong chicken. I have cow leg, and I have some stripe. I'm not going to be using red meat. I'm trying my best to cut off red meat from what we eat. So I'm going to be using some stripe, which is shaki. I'm going to be using some shaki, and I'm going to be using 2 fresh mackerel fish. I have them here. So to season I'm going to show you how I'm going to season the beef to give the okra soup that delicious taste. Okay. For the meat, I'm going to be using 1 chicken stock powder. I'm just going to put it. I'm going to sprinkle in some little aromat just to season it. I have 2 different okra soup recipe. I'm going to drop the link so you guys can check it out. And I'm going to add some little salt. Then I will just put in a little bit of hot thyme. I just want the beef, I keep on calling it beef. I just want this meat to have a very nice. So guys, while the meat is in the fire cooking, I'm just going to quickly roughly blend my scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, and set this aside. So when the beef is almost cooked, I'm going to put it inside the pot. So guys, that's the final look. I have my crayfish there and my red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to set this aside and allow the beef to cook, the meat to cook for some time, for 20 to 25 minutes, as the cow leg is very strong. I want it to cook. Meat have been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to put in the mackerel fish so it will cook, and when it's properly cooked I will take it off in order to prevent it from breaking. So I'm just going to put in my mackerel fish. And I'm going to allow it to cook for further 10 minutes more. You know, cow leg is very strong, so I want it to be very soft. I don't want my teeth to do too much justice. I just want to bite and easy to go. While the fish and the meat are cooking, I'm going to pour in my blended peppers, crayfish and oil. I'm just going to pour it in. guys, this Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, is going to make your okra soup like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just try this recipe. Try this oilless okra soup, and I bet you guys this is going to be your favorite, your number one pot. Your number one pot, okay? So I'm just giving it a nice stir, and I'm going to allow it to cook with the fish for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to take the fish off. Then we'll start putting in our okra tribe, and we'll be doing the tasting. So guys, the meat is properly cooked, and I'm just going to put in my okra. So I'm going to put in all the okra inside the pot and give it a very nice stir. I need to hold it with my kitchen towel as the pot is hot. Yeah. So guys, take a look. Just take a look at this pot of goodness. Oh my god. If you know how healthy this soup is, how delicious and healthy this soup is, I bet you will be making okra soup like every week in your house. Every week. Oh my god. Guys, I have different type of oilless okra soup. If you want the plain green oilless okra soup, but you would need like your red sauce to eat that. So I don't have any red stew in my house. That's why I'm making exactly this type of oilless okra soup. So I'm just going to leave it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I will taste to see if the seasoning is enough. Oh, I have one chicken stock powder that I didn't use earlier, so I'm just going to put that so it will cook with it. Yeah. Hold on guys, you need to test with me. I'm going to test to see if everything is okay, if I need more salt. Guys, you can see how light this soup is for this cold weather. It's so light. I can just take like a plate of this without any swallow and I'm okay. I love okra soup. Oh my goodness. This pot is pot of goodness. So right now I'm going to put back the fish that I took off before. I'm going to put it back so it will cook. Oh my god. This is the definition of yumminess. Yum yum. This is the definition of healthy living. Eating okra soup is the best thing you can ever give to your body. The best. The best. So guys, I am done making my okra soup, and I have plantain fufu. I made it from scratch. I'm going to drop the recipe so you can watch it. So let's try our plantain fufu. I love to put my swallow inside my soup, okay? Let's try and see. Oh my goodness. Oh my good gracious God. Guys, just take a look. In short, let me leave you guys here as I enjoy this delicacy. Guys, if you've been watching me from the scratch of this video till now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, where did I offend you? Please help me to smash on that red button on the left hand side that says subscribe. Join the family so you won't miss anything like this from me. Guys, I'm not ranty, guys. If my food does not taste good, and my husband knows, I just tell him that, oh, I don't like this soup, I don't like how it tastes. But this one, trust me guys, you need to try this out. You need to try this out. Most especially the plantain swallow. It goes well with okra soup. It just kills it. So guys, let me leave you here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you again on my next cooking video. But for now, let me leave you here as I continue to enjoy my food. Don't gossip how I swallow, okay? Don't worry, that's me. And you know one thing about this plantain swallow? I don't want to make this video too long, but one thing is that you don't even need effort to swallow it. The thing will just run before you put it. Look, it's like a magnet. You can't find it again. It's gone. It's gone. Quick action. Before I eat overfeeding here, let me quickly drink a lot of water to keep my belly tight. Because the way this soup is, look. Guys, this is delicious. This is delicious. Forehand, gossip me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.